For our sight word lesson today, we are going to combine sight words and writing. And today I'm going to use all 4 of our sight words in a sentence, in separate sentences. So it is a good bit of writing. You might want to spread it out. That's fine. You don't have to do it all at one time. But I'm going to write 4 sentences using each of our 4 sight words this week. So this week we are learning about the words pull, tell, you, and good. So I'm going to begin with the word pull, and I'm going to think of a sentence that uses the word pull. And I'm going to write, I pull a wagon. I do pull a wagon a lot. When I take Ella for walks, she loves to go in her wagon. So I'm going to write, I pull a wagon. So I'm going to still use the same strategies that I use when I'm writing in my journal. I'm going to begin with an uppercase letter, and I'm going to write an uppercase I, and I'm going to leave space, and I'm going to write pull. Now, we do want to make sure that our 4 sight words that we're using from this week are spelled correctly. So I'm going to look up here, and I'm going to see pull is P-U-L-L. Okay, I pull. Going to leave space and write A. And then the last word in this sentence is wagon. Wagon is not a sight word, so I'm going to say it slowly to stretch it out. W-A-G-in. Wag-in. At the beginning, I hear W, so I'm going to write W. W-A. I hear an A, short A sound. W-A-G. I hear the G sound, so I'm going to write a G. Wag in. Just like the word ocean yesterday, when I listen for within my words, I can see if I can come up with other ways to help me write a word. Okay, I don't think it was yesterday. I think it was the day before, actually, that I wrote that word ocean. But when I talk to you guys about writing words you don't know, I always mention using what you do know about words and seeing if that can help you. So wag in, I know how to spell in, so I'm going to write I-N at the end of wagon. I pull a wagon. That is my first sentence. I'm going to end with punctuation. Now I am going to underline the word pull. I'm not going to underline all my sight words. I'm just going to underline my special ones that I'm using, my words of the week. So I pull a wagon. All right, my next word is tell. Tell. Ooh. I'm going to think of a sentence using the word tell. And it is okay if you use the word tells also. That's still the same word. It just will have an S on the end. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to write, she tells me to eat. Ella probably thinks that all the time, that mommy tells me to eat, because sometimes she just wants to play. So I'm going to write, she tells me to eat. All right, I'm going to begin right here and write the word she. At the beginning of she, I hear a consonant digraph, shh. I hear SH, and I am going to begin with an uppercase S because I'm starting a new sentence. And then I'm going to put that H. All right, sh-e. I hear an E saying its name. She. I'm going to leave space and I'm going to write the word tell, which is right here. T-E-L-L. Now I have to add a special letter to the end for this to say tells. I have to add an S. Okay, she tells. Going to leave space and I'm going to write the word me. Me is a sight word. E. It has 2 letters. M, E. She tells me to, right? I'm going to leave space. To is a sight word. T-O. She tells me to eat. Eat. I hear 2 sounds in the word eat. I hear an E saying its name. Eat. And then I hear the T sound, so I'm going to write a T. She tells me to eat. And I'm going to put my period at the end because that thought is finished. And I'm going to underline the word tell. All right. I pull a wagon. She tells me to eat. So I'm going to put a check mark under pull, a check mark under tell, and I have 2 more words to use in a sentence. All right. The next word I'm going to use is the word you. You. Let me think. You are amazing. That's what I'm going to write. You are amazing, and that is the truth. You. I'm beginning my sentence with my special word. So I'm going to write you with an uppercase Y because I'm starting a sentence. Uppercase Y. O. You. You. I'm going to leave space and I'm going to write the sight word are. And if you don't know how to spell it, that's fine. Keep practicing. But are is a sight word, so I'm going to spell it correctly for us. A-R-E. You are amazing. I hear a. So I'm going to write a U. I hear So I'm going to write an M. A. I hear an A saying its name. A Z. I hear Z sound, so I'm going to write down a Z. Amazing. Now, for the last couple weeks, anytime that this has popped up, I have mentioned there are 3 letters that make the ing sound. And I've also said this isn't really a kindergarten thing. This is like a 2nd or a 3rd grade thing. But you guys are so smart. I like to mention things like this to see if you can catch on. And there are 3 letters that say ing when they're put together. Do you guys remember what they are? I-N-G. That says ing. You are amazing. And I'm going to end this one with an exclamation point. You are amazing. I'm going to underline the word you and check it off here. And the last sentence has to use the word good. Good. And I'm going to write, have a good day. All right, at the beginning, I'm going to start with an uppercase letter, which is the uppercase letter H. Ah. I hear an A, a short A. Have. Then I hear a V. Have. I'm going to leave space and write A. Have a good. Help me spell good. G-O-O-D. Have a good day. Day and play rhyme. D-A. At the beginning of day, I hear D. So I'm going to write a D. D-A. In the middle, I hear an A saying its name. What letter does play end in? Play. Day. A Y. Have a good day. And I'm going to end this one with an exclamation point also. All right, now let me get my red. I'm going to underline that word good here. And I'm going to check it off. I've used all 4 of my sight words of the week in a different sentence. And I'm going to go ahead and reread all of these sentences for you. I pull a wagon. She tells me to eat. You are amazing. Have a good day. All right, and as I've always done, I'm just going to write the correct spelling. It is okay if you don't write everything correctly. When you are writing your sight word sentences, I do want you to try your best to make sure that your sight words are spelled correctly, because that is why we are doing this. All right, you are amazing and have a good day. And I hope that you guys do have a good day. Have fun writing your sight words. Keep learning, but also have fun too. All right. I'll see you later. Bye.